dream I know deep up my feelings for you.
The restated Edo State Deputy Governor Philip Shaibu has expressed concern over the dilapidated condition of Ogbemudia Stadium following the misuse of the facility during the hosting of the Rema Homecoming concert organized by Edo State government. Moving on after this, we have why Edo people rejected PDP. The Edo Utility League, a social cultural organization in Edo State, don't come out and share their own view concerning the Edo State governorship election that was conducted on September 21st, 2024. Alright, my wonderful people, thank you so much for joining us. If today is your first time of watching, kindly subscribe, like, comment, share, but don't forget to notification bell to get notified whenever we drop our video. To all amazing subscribers, thank you so much for joining. So guys, let's proceed. The restated Deputy Governor of Edo State, Philip Shaibu, has expressed concern over the dilapidated condition of the Ogbemudia Stadium following the misuse of the facility during the hosting of the Rema Homecoming concert organized by the state government. The Deputy Governor, who spoke at the end of tour of the facility at the Ogbemudia Bini, which he undertook on Wednesday, raised concern that the Governor Godwin Obaseki didn't give adequate attention to the stadium and the facility during their political impasse. He said they have a government policy not to allow concerts in the stadium, and he drew his unnamed government official the attention to the warranty they have on the stadium. That the president told him that the governor insisted that the concert, that is Rema Homecoming concert, would be held there. He told the president that the concert could be held at the Gary Memorial Field or at the Uniben Ekenwa campus, not in the stadium because of the warranty. Now they all can see that the concert has caused serious damage to the stadium and the equipment therein. This hall that they are presently in is the dedicated gymnastic hall. That this is the best gymnastic hall in Nigeria with a suspended pit. That they can see for themselves that the dilapidation within 1 year. Philip Shaibu said that they put up a structure that was doing very, very well for 5 years. The only way that they can sustain maintenance in a facility like this is to bring activities there. That if there is no life in a facility, it will definitely dilapidate. That is what they are saying here. But he's not happy at all because this is supposed to be one of their flagship projects, and he was fully in charge of the facility for close to 6 years with no cost to the government. It was state-of-the-art international and national events were taking place here. The International Gymnastics Federation brought an international meet and training here. So he thought that they have a problem here. It's not a government problem. It is an individual problem. To bring the facility back to shape, Philip Shaibu said that they need to use Edo taxpayers' money to do that, and they don't bring their personal interest into government. This is what they get. It is wrong. That they should take a look at the tennis central court, and they want to produce athletes for the next Olympics when they cannot even, maintain their own facility that they will use to get prepared. So right now he's blaming Governor Godwin Obaseki for the damages that is being made on the stadium because they have other places that Rema can use for his homecoming concert. So why using the Ogbemudia Stadium? So right now Philip Shaibu is asking, who is going to pay for those damages that has been made? My people be small matter. So I guess I would like to know your thoughts, your contributions, opinions in our comment section. I would love to hear from you once again. Thank you so much for staying curious. Moving on, we have the Edo State Unity League, a social cultural organization in Edo State, has contributed the defeat of the People Democratic Party candidate R3JECT to the vindictive politics and unpopular politics of outgoing Governor Godwin Obaseki. The All Progressive Congress candidate, Senator Mondo Obolo, emerged victorious in the September 21st election. So in a statement by their publicity secretary, R3JECT, the league emphasized that Governor Godwin Obaseki strained relationship with the political elite and his perceived insensitivity to the concerns of the people led to the PDP downfall. The league said that anyone with an understanding of the internal discord within the PDP, particularly the opposition from founding members against the outgoing governor, could have predicted Senator Mondo Obodo's victory, that it was not a surprise but rather the culmination of clear and inevitable factors. That the group highlighted that in Edo South, the most populous region of the state, where Governor Godwin Obaseki hails from, voters were disillusioned with Governor Godwin Obaseki's administration. That for many in Edo South, voting for the PDP candidate R3JECT was seen as endorsing Governor Godwin Obaseki's administration, which they perceive as a vindictive and tyrannical. But they are saying that the people of Benin felt that Governor Godwin Obaseki's governance style attempted to institutionalize a culture of retribution, with loyal figures and notable communities members often targeted unfairly. So there was a growing sentiment that the governor's actions, such as the arbitrary revocation of certificates of occupancy from prominent local entrepreneurs in favor of his allies, many of whom are based in Lagos, were harmful to the community's interests. He added that the people of Benin were deeply grieved, feeling that their culture and heritage were under attack. They did not need, financial incentive to reject the PDP. In fact, the electoral score attributed to the PDP in this election seems surprisingly high and undeserved. In Edo Central, the group said it was a clear choice between a familiar figure and an outsider. That Senator Mondo Obodo is seen as a son of the soil with a strong commitment to community development, respect for traditional institutions, and a reputation for empathy. The people rallied behind him with overwhelming support, unpromptedly by financial incentive. In Edo North, they said the voters reportedly felt betrayed by Governor Godwin Obaseki's treatment of former Governor Adams Oshomole, a key figure in the region. The betrayal of Oshomole by the outgoing governor was seen as unforgivable, and voters sought to express their disapproval by overwhelmingly supporting the APC. Summing it up, the league concluded that R3JECT was burdened by the baggage of the outgoing governor's action. So the election result was a clear message from Edo people to Obaseki that integrity and goodwill matters in leadership. Hey, my people, don't be small, baby. So guys, I go like make una chukuma for this matter because he get as he be. They say they pay Governor Godwin Obaseki back to his own coin for all the things we be say into Edo North concerning Adams Oshomole. So they paid him back through what he did. So no be say they manipulate the results, but now waiting Obaseki deserve. Hey, my people, don't be small matter. They just use that one to pass a message to rap. So guys, I would like to know your thoughts. Maybe we'll make the conversation live in our comment section. Once again, thank you so much for staying to us. But if you haven't subscribed to our YouTube page yet, please do us a favor to like and subscribe and also share. But don't forget the notification bell to get notified whenever we drop our video, because I'm sure you don't want to miss out the trending and latest news happening on social media. To all our amazing subscribers, thank you so much for staying to us. On this note, we have come to the end of today's segment. Like, come your awareness. Bye for now.